Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off voice messages on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first step you need to take when you want to turn off voice messages on an iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on General. Scroll down General, click on Keyboard. Then scroll down Keyboard until you get to Dictation. Now go ahead and toggle off dictation. The issue spot that says the information dictation uses to respond to your request is also used for Siri and will remain on API services unless Siri is also turned off. Now go ahead and turn off dictation. And that is it. Alternatively, you may also want to turn off raise to listen. So to do this, just go ahead, go back to the main settings page, scroll down, click on apps. Now scroll down apps and select messages. Now under messages, look for raise to listen. Then turn off raise to listen. You can see raise to listen allows you to quickly listen and reply to incoming audio messages by raising the phone to your ear. So go ahead and turn that off and then you are good. So that is exactly how to turn off voice messages on an iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.